In a rare legal move, a judge has agreed to keep some of the most sensitive details about a young child's final moments out of the public eye. This decision involves influencer Emilie Kiser, whose 3-year-old son, Trigg, tragically drowned in the family pool earlier this year. But why were these details sealed? And what does this mean for the public's right to know? The tragedy in May. On May 12, 2025, what should have been a quiet day at home turned into every parent's nightmare. Emilie's husband, Brady, was at home with Trigg and his newborn brother when the toddler somehow made his way into the backyard. According to police reports and surveillance footage, Trigg was in the pool for several minutes before he was found. Despite emergency efforts, he passed away 6 days later in the hospital. The report that sparked a legal fight. When Chandler police finished their investigation, their report contained 2 pages describing, in graphic detail, Trigg's final moments. In late July, Emilie's legal team asked the court to remove those sections, warning they could be twisted into disturbing content or even AI-generated reenactments that no family should ever have to see. The judge's decision. On August 8th, Judge Christopher Whitten agreed with Emilie. He ruled that these pages weren't necessary for public accountability and would only satisfy what he called morbid curiosity. In other words, the redactions don't change the core facts. They simply protect the dignity of a little boy whose memory, his mother says, should reflect only the love and light he brought to the world. The pushback. Not everyone supported the decision. An attorney for the Arizona Republic argued that those 2 pages also held key context about why police initially recommended charging Brady with felony child abuse and why prosecutors later declined to press charges. The Maricopa County Attorney's Office said there wasn't enough evidence to secure a conviction, citing surveillance video and a careful review of the events. The bigger picture. This case raises a difficult question. Where should the line be drawn between the public's right to know and a family's right to grieve in peace? In a time when tragedies can be turned into viral clips and AI can fabricate realistic and deeply harmful reenactments, protecting dignity has never been more complicated. For Emilie Kiser, the court's decision was a small but meaningful victory in the middle of unimaginable loss. And for the rest of us, it's a reminder. Sometimes, the most respectful thing we can do is not to look.